Hi everyone, what's up? This video is part of a series in which I discuss a Pyspark coding question for you to practice and become prepared for the next interview. In each video, I will use a Leetcode or HackerRank SQL question and solve it using Pyspark. Question for this video is displayed on the screen. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and if you find it useful, please share it with your friends. If you're new to the channel, then please push the subscribe button as it will help my channel grow. I post videos every week to help you clear your next interview. Also, if you found this video useful, then please click the like button and share it with your friends. Now, let's get started with the video. So the question is, write a solution to calculate the number of bank accounts for each salary category. The salary categories are low salary, that is all the salaries strictly less than $20,000. Then second category is average salary, which is all the salaries in the inclusive range of $20,000 and $50,000. Then there is high salary, where all the salaries are strictly greater than $50,000. The result must contain all three categories, and if there are no accounts in the category, then return 0. So here is the data. We have three accounts, account number 3, 2, 8 and 6, and we have the income or salary here. So we have to find out, basically categorize these salaries in three places and take out which salary is what based on what the question is demanding. I hope you understand this question, and let's straight away jump into the Pyspark solution. So I've solved this question with two different approaches. Let me show you the first approach. Here I have first created three variables: low salary count, average salary count and high salary count. In low salary count, what I've done is accounts.df.filter and column income less than 20,000, and I've done a count of it. So basically I'm filtering the accounts df based on the income which is less than 20,000, and I'm taking a count and storing the value in the low salary account. Same thing I'm doing in the average salary, just the filter condition is updated. Here income is greater than equal to 20,000 and income is less than equal to 50,000. So I've kept the range here, and I've again taken the count and stored the count into this variable. Same way in high salary count, I have given the condition as column income is greater than 50,000, and whatever the count is, I'm storing it in this variable. Finally, I've printed out all the three salary counts. As you can see, low salary count is 1, average salary count is 0, and high salary count is 3. So the question had stated that even if a salary count or a category of salary does not have any count, that is 0 count, then that 0 should also be printed in the final result. So once I have these three variables, all I can do is create a data frame. So this is my basically this is the data we are considering, where the column number 1 is low salary, and this is the string value, and low salary count, which is the integer value. Similarly, second record is average salary, which is again a string value, and average salary count is integer. Finally, this is our third record, that is high salary, again a string value, and this is a integer value. Finally, we have the data here, and we can easily write a simple schema. So the first column, which will have low salary, average salary, high salary, string values, this column I'm calling it as category, and the one which will have the count values, I'm calling it as accounts count. So this is a way of creating a data frame, very easy way. So finally I do a display, and as you can see, this is my resultant data which is expected based on the question. I hope you understood how I'm solving this. This is approach number 1. We will go into approach number 2, but before that, if you have any doubts in this particular solution, feel free to post your question on the comments. So in the alternate approach or the second approach, what I've done is, instead of creating three different variables for storing the count, I have created three different data frames. Let me show you that. So this is my first data frame, df low salary, and what I've done is I have created a column called income count, and I've used a when statement. So inside the when, I've written column income less than 20,000, then I'm assigning 1 to this income count, otherwise I'm assigning 0. And I've also created a column called category, which will have the string value of low salary. Finally, you can see the result of this data frame. So as you can see, out of all the records, it will analyze each and every record's income and figure out what the income count should be and what the category should be. So based on the low salary data, I have one income count and the category is low salary. Moving on, I have created another data frame called df average salary, which is very similar to df low salary, only the condition inside the when statement is changing. Similarly, how I had done in the filter condition in the previous approach, same way I'm doing it here. Just the difference is that I've created different data frames instead of variables. So this is the result of the df average salary, and as we have seen in the first approach also, total count of average salary was anyway 0. So that is what is printed in this data frame. So if you notice one thing, the total number of records will be equal to the total number of records in the source data frame, because what each and every data frame is doing is it is checking each and every income data and matching with the condition that we have provided inside this when statement. Moving on, we have our third data frame, which is df high salary. In this also I have created income count, and inside the when statement I have included column income greater than 50,000, and if this condition is met, then 1 is assigned to income count, otherwise 0. Let's look at the data. So we have income count, category, and as you can see, the first record and the third and fourth record are high salary, and income count is 1 and 1. Once we have this 3 data frames, we can just union them, and I am calling this as df salary union. So as you can see, this is all the 12 rows. We have low salary income count 1 in this particular record. For average salary, all the counts were anyway 0. And for high salary, we had 3 records with income count equal to 1, and it can be seen here. Once you have this data frame ready, all you have to do is you have to group by on category and sum the income counts. And after doing the sum, I'm aliasing it to income count. So as you can see, this is my final result, which is matching with the result of our first approach. We have category and we have the related income count in front of it. I hope you understood how we have solved this question using the second approach. And I feel if you are getting this question in an interview or similar kind of question in an interview, I prefer using the data frame API to solve these kind of questions, because this goes on to show that you have a good knowledge and good grasp on Pyspark data frame concepts. So as I said before, I have many videos dedicated to Pyspark coding questions, which will be very helpful for your preparation in data engineering interviews. Feel free to check them out in the I button as well as the description. And I'll see you next time. So that's it for this video. If you found it useful, then please share it with your friends and like the video. In the coming few weeks, I have planned many such videos on Pyspark and SQL interview questions. So stay tuned for them, and if you have not subscribed, then please press the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.